go camping. We're meeting out with Grandma and my sister and her kids. We are doing some tent camping in January.
Me as in me and her.
Zoe and I are going to do some tent camping this week. Mom and Carrie both have their campers, so there'll still be some luxuries.
Well, we were going to go camping, but we're like, eh.
We like our tent camping every now and then, so this is the one time of year where we go and do our tent camping. So that will be exciting. We're very excited.
And it's just me and her, and there's nobody else.
But it is going to be a rather warm week. It's going to be in the 80s, and it's going to be humid. So I'm sure there's going to be plenty of beach time come the afternoons. And hopefully it won't be too bad that we can't sleep because it's too hot and uncomfortable. But we shall survive.
Yep.
Alright.
Ta-da! Look at all the trees. Can you see me in the reflection? You can.
I can see her face. Good morning. It is Monday morning. It is about 11 o'clock already, and we're getting ready to go to the beach. We slept really well last night. Once we fell asleep. Zoe had a hard time falling asleep, but it's alright. I finally got her woke up. There she is down there. She doesn't want to get out of bed. This is the tent. Her side is super messy. My side is nice like and clean.
Times.
What?
We got up and out like 7 times.
I know, but look at my side. It's all clean.
I don't care.
You're a messy side. You're the messy side. Ha ha ha.
Don't make your side messy when you're gone.
You better not. I'm gonna need to add. If you get it. I'm going to add a little bit of air to my mattress. I lost some air during the night. Not enough to make it uncomfortable, but definitely makes it a little tricky.
I saw you get out. I was like, that's really deflated.
Yeah, it makes it a little difficult to getting out. You can't really get out anymore. You have to like roll out. So anyways, we're going to the beach. Zoe's staying home today. She's going to go to the beach tomorrow. So yeah, we'll check in with you later. So here's the inside of the tent. It is very big. We got Zoe's wing over here. She's sleeping on a cot. She's taking a little snooze. She was up earlier. Got a little rug and a little bit of a mess. We use these bin. This bin holds the tent itself, so we use it as a side table. She's got a fan over there. And then you can see the tent is really tall. It's got this little storage caddy thing on top, which is cool. And then we also have these things here that we can hook up. So we have a privacy screen. We have one for each end of the tent. And then we've got this huge area in the middle that's all clear. We've got an extension cord running in to power our chargers and our fans, because it was a little warm this week, but with the fans it was humid and hot, but with the fans we were fine. I've got another bin over here This one holds all of our bedding, except for the pillows, and I use that as a side table. And then, so on our bedside tables, we each have a fan and a little, what do you call this? A little candle, battery operated candle. So we just let the little candles go all night, so when we wake up in the middle of the night, we've got a little light to see by. So that works out really nice. Got a little blanket down here for our rug. Dirty clothes hamper. And then I have an air bed, it's just a single double height. I think I picked it up at Menards. It is awesome. It's the kind that pumps up itself. It's got its own built-in pump. I am loving it. This is a new purchase for this camping trip because all of our other air mattresses had holes in it. So I had to get a new one. Just did simple linens. My sheet's coming off the end here. So the bad thing about this one is that the sheet doesn't want to stand very well, but it's an older sheet, so the elastic's not that great. And then I also have my bed sitting on another blanket just because the ground is a little rocky and I didn't want to pop my new air mattress. But as you can see, we also have lots of windows. This is actually a door. If we took the fly off the top, we could get out that way too. And the same with the other side too. So there's 3 doors in this tent as well. So that is it. Our little home away from home this week. Alright, so it is Saturday morning already and we are in the process of packing up. Sadly, it is time to go home, which is not very fun, but the packing up part always goes much, much quicker than the setting up of camp. So the tent goes down way quicker than it goes up, so that's good to know. So I've got to get Zoe out of bed here. We were up earlier and now she's sleeping again, so not cool. But that's alright. Mom, right outside here, has already started packing up, and so has Carrie, and we still have like 3 hours before we have to be out of our sight. So we got plenty of time. So we will check in with you later.